Okay, I'm going to start out with just a real quick demonstration of how I start basically every face that I draw, whenever I'm trying to put some details in, like eyes and nose and things. But I always start out with an oval because we all basically have an egg-shaped head, and I draw it loosely. And you see I got it pretty light so that I can just go over it and over until I get it the way I want it. And when I see that I got the one that I like, kind of like right there, then I will go from top to bottom and kind of cut that in half. I'll put a line there. That's about where my eyes are going to go. And then I'll go from the eyes to the chin and kind of cut that in half. Sometimes maybe a little less than half. It depends. All these measurements are kind of general. They depend on the actual person's face that you're looking at. But these are just general starting points. And then from where I say the nose is going to be to the chin, cut that in half, and that'll be the area where I'd be putting the mouth. And then I'll go down this way because everybody has a left side and a right side of their face. So now, as far as measurements are concerned, like from here to here, if you can picture 5 eyes fitting across there. This eye here is kind of like where the area in between the eyes are. And then those 2 eyes, and then these would be the spaces on the outside. So I always guess, but I always keep that in mind so I know, okay, there will be another eye there, there'll be another eye there, and then there's the other eye there. And those would be the 2 right eyes. So this one might be like that. Another general measurement is from your eyes to your nose. That's about where your ear should go on both sides. And this is if you're looking straight on at the person. Then I would go in here and I would draw me a chin in there with some cheekbones, hairline if that's appropriate, and so forth and so on. Then I go in and start putting in, details and start to map this nose out, get the lips together. Some measurements that you want to see as far as how wide the nose should be and how wide the lips should be. If you've got your eyes right, the edge of your nose should be about at the inside of your eye, and the edge of your lips should be about at the middle of your eye. And again, these are just general measurements just to get you started. Somebody's mouth could be this wide or this wide. Somebody's nose could be out here or a little thinner. You get the idea. This is just general, just to get you started. So as you look at the drawing that I'm going to be doing of this African man, just look for these things that I just showed you.